special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 9:15 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles northeast of North Point, LZ, to 10 nautical miles southwest of Milwaukee to 28 nautical miles north of McHenry, moving southeast at 40 knots. These storms will approach Winthrop Harbor by 7 or 7:15 p.m. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots.
Damn.
Source, radar and surface observation indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Waukegan Harbor.
I'm gonna miss KZZ 81. No, I'm not. That soon, really?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wind Point to near Yorkville to near Wheaton to Allward, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. These storms have a history of producing wind damage across southeast Wisconsin. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, observations and public reports. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Palatine, Buffalo Grove, Crystal Lake, Wheeling, Northbrook, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Algonquin, Highland Park, Lake, Indiana The Hills, Round Lake Beach, McHenry, Furnace Hills, Woodstock, Zion, Huntley, and Gray's Lake. Including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 32 and 41. Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 25. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 25. This includes Chain O Lake State Park, College of Lake County, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Lake County Fielders Baseball, Lake County Illinois Fairgrounds, Lake Forest College, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, Moraine Hills State Park, Lavinia Music Festival, and Six Flags Great America. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. From the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 10:15 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 21 nautical miles east of Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor to near McHenry, moving southeast at 40 knots. Impact, small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Chris, Wilmette Harbor, 30 Michigan City, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, and Jackson Park Harbor.
This thing went off.
Weather alert. Tune to your weather band station. Weather alert. Tune to your weather band station.
Oh my God.
Michigan, near shore and open waters from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 34 nautical miles east of Cudahy to 14 nautical miles southeast of Wind Point, to near Winthrop Harbor to near McHenry, moving southeast at 35 knots. Hazard, Wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Buffalo in Michigan City. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or National Weather Service. Here are the 7 p.m.